Okay, so now in our little isolation chambers, we are now going to learn to do a ring. Okay, so you need to learn how to do a ring to then crochet into it to build your work. Now it can be both in circular work or in a granny square. So a granny square is built around a little ring here, or circular pieces such as that. There's a little ring. Now the two different ways of doing a ring, I can show you in my little bag here. What have we got? There's one. I'll show you. Okay. So there is the easy way, which I'm going to show you first. This is just a tiny ring which I've then trebled into. And this is by doing a chain that we did right at the beginning, joining the chain and then trebling into it. Okay. And this is a magic loop, which I will show you separately. Okay, my preferred method is the magic loop because it's lovely and flat, and as you can see there isn't much of a hole in the middle there, whereas with the chain method you do get a little hole, and sometimes over time I feel that that looks bigger, and I just prefer it to be nice and neat and tight like that. However, that takes a little bit of practice. This little starter to a granny square I have done using a magic loop, so it's flatter. So it is a good technique, but we'll do the chain loop first. Let's have it right. So make a chain, and I'm just going to chain 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we're going to join this chain together to make a circle by putting your hook through the first chain, yarn over, and bring your yarn through both of them. So you have a tiny little circle. You've joined your chain together into a circle. And I'm going to treble into this circle, so don't panic, just hold your work tight. So yarn over, I'm going to check 3, 1, 2, height of 3, okay, yarn over and into the middle of that ring, and that classes as 1 treble, doing another treble, 2, yarn over, into the middle, through from behind, yarn over, through 2, yarn over again. This is where I always lose count. So how many have we done? We've got the 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. Don't forget how you do trebles. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, last one, 12. Okay, now to join this ring, one with your hook into the top of that chain 3, I'm going to put my hook through the top stitch of that chain. I can get it through, there we go. Then pull through, yarn from behind, pull through one, pull through the next one to join that loop. But as you can see, it can make quite a big hole because you've worked into the middle. I'm just going to cut the end and show you how to secure it. Chain, pull your yarn through and pull it tight. And that is your chain method of your ring.